The Ben-Dera Ford is one of the most unusual and obscure concept cars ever built, not by a major automaker, but by a self-taught mechanic and electrician named John Bender from Hilliard, Ohio. Tired of seeing the same kinds of cars at auto shows, Bender decided in the early 1980s to build his dream car from scratch. Inspired by futuristic, aerospace-style designs, he constructed a radical-looking vehicle using mostly ordinary components and materials. The first Ben-Dera, finished around 1988, was based on a 2.3-liter Ford Pinto four-cylinder engine, which Bender mounted mid-chassis. He reused the Pinto's front subframe and rear axle, adapting them to fit beneath a custom tubular space frame. The outrageous body was hand-built from fiberglass, designed with large windows, decorative turbines, roof fins, and 6 headlights, 4 of which were non-functional. The doors opened gull-wing style, in a nod to the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Despite its showy appearance, many of its aerospace-inspired elements were non-functional or purely aesthetic, including solar panels that were simply painted on. Inside, the car featured a mock cockpit-style dashboard with aviation gauges, further reinforcing its sci-fi appearance. The build took 3 years and cost Bender roughly $40,000. Later, he constructed a second version using a 2.8-liter V6 from a Mercury Bobcat. This car had a gold finish, lacked the original's fins and side turbines, and came with air conditioning. It was advertised for sale at $19,750 but never found a buyer, as Bender feared legal issues if the car were sold. Despite being a clear labor of love, the Ben-Dera never reached production. Still, its striking look earned it a cult following among enthusiasts of oddball cars. A 1998 Car and Driver article profiled Bender and his creations, describing the Ben-Dera as bizarre but strangely endearing. Over the years, the cars have been spotted in various states of decay, one left to rust under snow in rural Ohio, another parked outside a fast food restaurant. The Ben-Dera Ford remains a symbol of DIY ingenuity, eccentric creativity, and the relentless pursuit of a personal vision. Though never commercially successful, it continues to provoke curiosity and smiles wherever it's seen.